What's up, guys? This place is coming to you live again. So in this video, I want to talk about a new gaming token. I believe will do in the next few days, or we can give you have the chance to give you 100x. I'm very passionate about this, and I believe it will do that for you. If you watched my video before in the past, I talked about this video. Yeah, I talked about a video called Magic. This Magic BST. This token here has given us and exceed that's when this was at the point when I call it, and we had to wait for this long and this long and this long before we saw the pump. See this pump, I see, calling this in here, which means if you're at this point, which is 0.006, compared to this now, we are currently on a 6x, which I believe most of those coins, when I told you with my reason in this for buying, telling this coin and choosing it for you at that point, and I still believe this coin is going to do well, still well for the few years. And I told you, if you watch the previous video, you will know why I talked about this. If you have not watched it, go ahead and check the token. It was 2 months ago that I called this coin, and we are already in profits at this moment. So this is another token I'm going to call. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button, and wait for this kind of calls that we're making on videos. But if you want to be getting involved in those kind of calls, you can actually join our Telegram group and our WhatsApp groups, or you go further by joining the premium group and getting a chance to make much more money than this at this point now. So what is this token I'm talking about? So the token I'm talking about is called Squeak Moon token. Now this token in particular, when I got on it was 0.8 cents, and the market cap at that point was around 150k. Now, one of the reasons why I believe in this token, I will explain it in the next few minutes, and you need to listen, is that this token is totally one of the good gel that you want to invest in. Considering the fact that okay, there were several tokens that have come in the past, like for example, the Sweet Cane token that were pulled and people ending up, the community ending up to go ahead and bring on the project. But this particular project, I'm very positive about it because of the set of people that is involved in it and the kind of thing they were able to achieve in the past few days. For example, I got to know it from one of the alpha house I follow. We entered the token by that time point, and at least one of the little thing I could really say about it was I didn't put much money I should have supposed to have put added to this token at that time when I purchased it, because at that time it was a little bit skeptical. There was no IDO, there was no pre-sale, there was no VC, there was only a sterile launch that had $50k as the liquidity. And at that point, they released a medium post. Let me find out the medium post here. They released a medium post that was talking about everything they had to do. This is a medium post here that they had to see. Can you see that? So only 3 days ago they released it. And let's check the chart. Look at the chart of the token. Now, if you compare the chart in the past 3 days, you will see that this is a chart. Look at what it has done. 3 days, people taking profit. Now, this token just launched on a 50k liquidity, and we were privileged in our premium group to get around these at 0.8, which are at this level. We are seeing this level here, this level here, this the first pump that was here. So, and we had easy 8x on this, and I believe this is even. I told them that I should keep on adding more to this because it's almost at the level we purchase this, but this is currently good deep. So if you're watching this video, you have the opportunity to get on this token. Now, I watched the Medium they posted and watched the details. What are the details? I noticed that there were solid team behind it. Now, because the reason why I'm checking for solid team behind this now is because one of the name, two, the fact that it's a gaming token, which means you might probably want to invest in it for a long time. So, when I watched about it and I saw that these were the people that was in charge. Let me show it to you here before I talk about the game itself. These people here, this the group, the team. The team is related to a founder of Unitrade. Now, if you don't know Unitrade before, this is Unitrade. This is the project. This is the first project they did. They built what they call a bridge between Ethereum main chain to BSC. And not only that was the only project, they are also the founder, the owner of this project here. And this project has been developing for the past few years that I know. This is a big data in blockchain, and this project currently have enough uh they have enough data, and they have enough development they have done over the years. So that's one of the key important thing that made me to really put my money in and believe this content creating way. Currently, they are still working on the game, and they have given us the roadmap and what you should expect on day one. Because this was posted 3 days ago, and you can see the chart there. You can how you know maybe I'm not lying. Actually, is this the chart shows you there 1, 2, 3, and you can see here they posted it 3 days ago. The median post. Now, the game that is all about is that the first game they're going to make is a UCT game on the Squid game, the popular Squid game platform, and it's all about the what do I call it, the marbles to choose between the odd and the evil marbles. If you watch the Squid game, the Netflix version, the main movie, you know what this was all about. And they also talk about the prize money they were building on the game. That the total of 8 people or 8 of the players that is involved in the game, the relationship will receive certain amount of the token which will be paid for them. And I totally believe that this game we add a lot of things. And one of the things I right now I might be scared of is the fact that currently now, remember that this is a game that is having no VC, no direct investor. And one of the things I know most investors do is that they want to see products. Now, this is your chance for you to invest like an investor, like a private sector, because one of the things that there's no investor yet. There are not much crowd on this, and they just listed themselves on KuCoin in the Coinbase thing just 2 days ago. At the time I make this video, and also got himself on KuCoin too. And one of the things I also want to make you understand is that the contract address and how the tokenomics is. The tokenomics is just 1% tax for all transaction, and for buying transaction is 5% charge. And also one of the things that you need to know that makes you understand you are early, and that's the point you are watching this video. If you are watching this video and you're making action, is that if you check the contract address, you see that the number of holders is currently 3,978, and the total supply of the token is only watch out, it's only 5 million of that token that existed and 3,000 holders. And this is a token without a product yet, and is having what a reputable team. This is what you can see here. This is Unitrade. This is barely showing on the screen that they have a reputable team, and these are the past projects of the developers. And it could tell you, and I think people were talking about were they going to be robbed, because I think I saw the point where people were saying that okay, these people don't have issues. They lock the liquidity. I know some of you might check in this video, but after this video, the liquidity lock is locked for 6 months. But considering the developers and the people that made this token, They could waste $1 million worth of LP over a year, and there was no work pro. The owner also made another 5 million watts on the second project that he made without also any work pro. So definitely they are what they are working on something that's very, very important. And one of the things I should make you understand is that they used it on their Twitter accounts. I want to show you the Twitter account there. Yeah. On this Twitter account, they were talking about the fact that they wanted to make a bridge that will bridge this from BSC to Ethereum blockchain. One of the reasons why they were saying that was because that most people in the right most times there's a lot of paper ants on the BSC blockchain. Means people that sells at every given them pump they want to take profit easily. But because of the fact that Ethereum blockchain has a lot of gas fee, and people do not really want to sell unless if, like, for example, you bought something of $200 and you pay the gas fee of $20. You will have to wait. You would want to wait till your profits around 1,000, maybe, and you are getting it back for for exchange again for when you are trying to sell it, and you are considering the next $200. So most times there's a lot of diamond ants on the Ethereum blockchain. What they were saying that they wish to do that. The reason why is that it's going to give them more chance to develop the game. And currently they have the website. You can see this is the website here. This is the website. This is just one page. This is what they have designed, and you see how silky and nice the website is. And one of the things that is very, very important that you need to understand that for such projects without a product and a barely committed developing developers and team that had no product and has done so well in the first few days, and the number of Telegram callers and people that have seen talking about this project, and the fact that I think in a few days ago, we saw that Mr. Beast, the popular YouTuber, tweeted about Squid Game and got them some pumps too. And the first few days, they posted about it too on their Telegram page. Tells you that there's a lot of things that you need to consider this and believe that this is a long-term project. Not that it's a long-term project, it is a good thing for you to buy it right now. Reason why is because before they decided to totally move it uh to to the Ethereum blockchain. You have some token of it, and you can really have the chance to gather enough of this, which I believe it is very, very fun. And to really check on some of the things they said, one of this person posted in that's very, very interesting. That this Degna, this is one popular cat project, and Kiba existed for 1 month and they only have 8,000 holders. But Squid Game had is having in 3 days, 1 to 3 days, 7,000 holders. And this is a project that's almost a total alpha. This is a project I gave to my premium group, the guys in the moonshots, and they are already in profit. And I still tell them that the truth of the matter is that they need to keep on adding more to this project because I totally believe in them. And with the team that I've seen and what they have built in the past tells me that this project is good enough. And if you maybe your doubts, maybe it's just on a port and stuff like that. This is it. Like I will show you one of the ways I use it to check for honeypots. If you copy the address from BSC scan here, and if that's this will probably be useful for you. If you go and check on honeypots.is, that's where one of the easiest ways to check for honeypots. Your tolerance says there. I've checked it already, and I'm still going to do it in front of you again here. You see, the project information will be shown to you. Now watch out. This seems not to be an honeypot. It's always changing depending on project. This is quick mode. The gas fee for buying is this and this. Buy tax is 5%. But exactly what they said. Sell tax is 0.1. It's brilliant. Good game. No much thing to say to it then to tell you that you need to just buy this. This is the same thing I told about people remaining about the Magic Beast, and I believe I also talked about I also talked about Atomic Battle Hero, and it did 20x. This is another opportunity for you. If you're watching this video to make more profits as the bull run continues. So, and as the market continues to go, and I believe that Bitcoin would never mess up at this point, and it's still going to go. See in between the triangle range, the true between the still between the bullish markets that you can see this one. We are still going to make a lot of money. So peace out and see you. Thank God bless you. Thanks.